Subaru hit. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today you join me in Basingstoke for Berkshire Street Cruisers. Now lockdown has happened again on Monday, so we're going to as many car meets as we can this weekend. We are here quite early. There are cars still arriving. There are a couple here, including this Polo that's arriving now. We have a Mark 1 MX-5 looking very wide. There's another Mark 1 MX-5 sitting pretty with a turbo. We have this Toyota Chaser that has featured so much in the videos recently. You lot already know what's going to happen when this thing leaves. You're right. This thing is mad. I did tell you it was mad, and there we go. The madness has happened. Something just happened from the Beamer. I completely missed it. There is also an S13. We have a Clio. There we are. We have a Mark 1 MX-5 Beamers. My car's parked all the way at the bottom over there. Oh, look at this wrap on this Golf. So I'm presuming the car park is full since this Polo and the R33 is finding the parking spot right at the side of the road. Look at the colour on this. It's like gold. That colour looks insane. I just had to run half the car park for that shot. We have a second Chaser here tonight. I'm a fan of modified cars having a roof rack matching like this. There used to be a Corsa that was camouflaged and they look really cool, but I like this. Well, that happened. Oh! He hit the bollard. I heard something crack. Yep, look. That was his bumper, all the splitter. Wait, there is a BMW sliding. That's where we need to go. That's where the Subaru hit and lost his bumper, all the splitter. The amount of people that have shown up tonight is crazy. My car is parked just down there next to that red Fiesta. This whole car park is rammed, except from that one over there. They can't get into that because there's a bollard. That one's packed. One right at the back is packed, and then you obviously got the main car park that we got here early, so we got a good spot. So there are revs happening, including a Mark 4 Supra. We got one tonight. Standing right behind cars like this is like the petrol fumes go into my eyes. Yeah, that's what happened just then. It seems like with this shot we have to go a bit into the forest. Nature again. Now that is the E36. Over to the exit. This is where we're going to stand and film the cars leaving. though there is a second location, we are going a little bit late, around about half an hour late, but yeah, we're gonna head there now and see what's there. All right, so we have made it to the second location. There is drifting happening up here on the roundabout. So we're now back in the car. There wasn't really much happening to begin with. There was quite a lot, but now it's kind of died down. People are leaving. And before this road gets absolutely chaotic to get out of, I'm leaving now before everyone else because this road is just packed. There's cars everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to check out some more drifting, cars leaving, go check out my other videos. It's much appreciated. Subscribe if you guys are brand new, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.